When you're walking home from school, visiting friends, or simply out and about, there are lots of stimuli you can use to help your child's learning.
How many wheels do you think are on these 3 cars here?
If there's 4 on that one and 4 on that one, then 4 and 4 is 8.
Yeah.
And in that last one, we'll have 9, 10, 11, 12. There'll be 12 wheels on 3 cars.
12 wheels on 3 cars?
Yeah.
Well done.
You can estimate how many steps you'll need to take to get from one lamppost to the next. Let your child guess and then walk the steps. You can also ask questions to encourage further exploration, such as how tall do you think the lamppost is? Or, if the height of one lamppost is 6 metres, what is the height of 4 lampposts stacked on top of each other?
I know, should we count these fence posts as we go
Yeah.
down? Right, so we say each one's worth 2 or
Yeah,
1?
each one's worth 2.
Worth 2, right, go on then.
2, 4, 6.
You can also use things like fences or fence posts to help with multiplication. Speed signs and number plates are also great tools to use. With speed signs, you can ask your child what a quarter of the number is and what the number is divided by 10. With number plates, you can ask your child to add the numbers, halve the numbers, or multiply the number. If your child is older, you could ask more complicated questions. For example, how much would you have to add to make the number reach 100 or 200? You can use the numbers in a range of ways, and it doesn't matter if your child gets the answer wrong. It's important that they become familiar with the language of maths and enjoy trying.
Do you want to see how tall you are?
If your child knows how tall they are, they can use their height to estimate how tall something else
If you
is.
stood on top of yourself, do you reckon
They can guess the height of trees, climbing frames, or buildings. Look out for ways to include questions, not just about numbers. Ask your child to look for things which are horizontal or vertical, to find different shapes, or what is clockwise or anti-clockwise.
Clockwise and
Clockwise.
clockwise is that way.
So which way do you want to go? Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise, it goes round there.
Anti-clockwise
Yeah.
is that way?
Yeah.
Being able to identify these mathematical elements will be of great value to your
And which
child.
way now?
Clockwise and that goes round that way.
Okay. Right then, Maya, we've just got 5 minutes, okay? Then we're
Okay.
going to go.
When your child is engaged in an activity and you're approaching the time to leave, use a range of different time spans to indicate how long they have left. For example, 90 seconds, 2.5 minutes, or 240 seconds. By changing the amount of time they have, you will help your child to learn how long different periods of time are. And remember, if a child has been told they have 5 minutes, then it's important to give them 5 minutes. Sometimes we give them a time allowance, but do not stick to it, which can confuse a child. If you do give your child longer than 5 minutes, ask them to guess how much longer they've had. The most important thing is that your child enjoys maths. If it feels strained or becomes hard work, this could put both you and your child off. The maths should be a part of the enjoyment and fit naturally into the activities that you do.